Hi. Here I have a test for you. My dear students, dear runners, dear anyone, you come here for running. You come here to run math. So, this is Maxwell's TV. Be attentive and try all the questions I have given you. So, let us start with the question number one. Number one, which of the following is a linear function? So, number A, we have y which is equal to x plus 1. Have y which is equal x squared plus 1. We have y which is equal to 1 over x. And we have option D which is y equal 3 power 3. And the general form, the standard form of linear equation is y equal mx plus c, yes, where this c is constant and this m is constant, and specifically this one is called y-intercept. This c is y-intercept, and by specific name of this one is gradient or slope. Yes. So now, from this equation you have here, you see that this x has the power of 1, you have degree 1. So you have to check the equation of degree 1, which is in this form. So the option number A here, A is the best answer. Number B, what is the slope of the linear function? The slope, I told you we have y equal mx plus c. This is the general form for linear equation, and this one is the slope. This m is the slope, and this c is y-intercept. Is y-intercept. So from this equation you have here, my m is 5. So my m here is 5. 5 is the slope. So 5 is on choice number B. So the best answer here is B. Question number 3. What is the y-intercept of y equal 3x plus 7? Y equal 3x plus 7. And I remind you that when you have the general equation of linear equation, which is y equal 3 no m x plus c, this one is gradient, and this c is called y-intercept. So from the equation that we have, this 7 is standing in place of c. So this c is y-intercept. Now this 7 is y-intercept. So from this, the best choice here is number B, is the 7, right? Okay, let us deal with question number 4. From the question number 4, which of the following has a slope of 0? Slope of 0. Question number 4, we have different equations where we have number A, y equal 4, y equal x, y equal to x plus 1, and we have here y equal negative x. Actually, for A, this one is the same as writing y, which is equal to 0x plus 4. You see, we don't have the m here and x. So this one is 0. This term is 0. Here here we have y which is equal to x, and the c is missing, so we have to add the c which is 0, and this one also is y which is equal to negative x, then plus 0 because we don't have a c. Then this one is full, it's complete. Now let us check which function has the slope of 0, and remember this slope is the m, or is the gradient, and yet we have y which is equal to mx plus c. This is the gradient, then this is the y-intercept. We have to check from all those equations that we have which one is containing 0, m. The m is 0 here, so here the gradient is 0. So we have the best choice as A, right? Question number 4, we have which equation represents a straight line passing through the origin? Yes, you remember that y equal mx plus c as a general form of linear equation, and to have this one origin as the intercept, this c first of all must be 0 because it is y-intercept, and you remember that for x-intercept y is always 0, and for y-intercept x is always 0. So now the line will pass through the origin when you have this point in the intercept must be 0, 0, and this y-intercept must be 0, 0, 0. So they have the same point at 0, 0. This will happen only when you have c which is 0, right? When c is 0, we will have the equation which is passing through the origin. So the best choice here is number B. Option B is the best choice because this one is having plus 0 here, right? Yes. Then number 6, which is number last of this video, if the slope of a line is positive, the line falls from left to right, rises from left to right, is horizontal, is a vertical. So for this question you have to think twice, right? When the slope, or when the gradient is a positive, now the line will run from where to where. You have to have different examples of equations and draw their lines, and you will find that when you have the positive slope, the line will rise from left to right. So the best choice here is number B. So thank you for running with Maxwell TV. Remember to subscribe, share this video, and you can give your likes. Thank you and welcome back to Maxwell TV.